My dear, my dear student, you can just see that in the given figure, PM is perpendicular on OA, angle PMO, therefore PMO is equal to 90 degree because it is a perpendicular. Similarly, you can just write down given PN perpendicular on OB, and this is why PNO, this angle will be 90 degree. And after that, you have to just apply angle sum property in quadrilateral OMPN, and you know that sum of all angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Putting all the values that you have just to find out, angle MPN plus 90 plus 35 plus 90 is equal to 215 is equal to 360 degree, and after transposing you can just find out angle MPN is equal to 145 degree. Hence the required angle is equal to 145 degree. My dear student, in this question you can just see that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB is parallel to DC and two angles has been given and each one is of 60 degree. Then you need to find out the other angles of this trapezium, and I have just made the figure for your convenience. AB is parallel to CD and angle A and angle B is equal to 60 degree. You need to find out this angle and this angle, and you can just see that in the given trapezium AB is parallel to DC, and you know very well that when two lines intersect by the third line at two distinct points, then sum of co-interior angle is equal to 180 degree, and you have to apply the same characteristic to solve this question. You know that this one and this one, these two lines are parallel, and this is why sum of this angle and this angle must be equal to 180 degree due to co-interior angles. So angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 degree. The value of A has been given 60 degree, and this is why when you solve, then D is equal to 120 degree. Here you have two options. You know that these two angles are equal, and this is why these two angles must be equal. Angle C plus angle B is equal to 180 degree because it is also co-interior angles. So sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree, and when you solve, then you get angle C is equal to 120 degree. So final the result is that you need to find out the other angles. So other angles both are equal, and both angles is equal to 120 degree. My dear student, you can just see that in this question, in the given figure, four sides of a quadrilateral ABCD has been produced in order. You just see that it has produced in this. So actually all the side you can just see that it has been just produced in anti-clockwise order. Find the sum of four exterior angle. You need to find out the sum of these exterior angle which is formed in this figure. And my dear, for the solution, you know very well that these two angles is known as linear pair because sum of these two angles must be equal to 180 degree, and this is why you can just apply the this formula, angle ABC plus x degree is equal to 180 degree. This property you have to just use for the linear pair, and x is equal to 180 degree minus angle ABC, and after that you have to apply the same property in all such case because sum of these two angles is also equal to 180 degree due to linear pair. Sum of these two angles is also equal to 180 degree, and sum of these two angles is also equal to 180 degree. When you apply in all the cases then you can just see that angle BCD plus y is equal to 180 degree. So y is equal to 180 degree, and then you have to just transpose and 180 plus change into minus angle BCD. Similarly, you can just find out for y, z and u, and after that you need to add all these four equations. X is equal to 180 degree minus angle ABC, y is equal to 180 degree minus angle BCD, z is equal to 180 minus angle CDA, and u is equal to 180 minus angle DAB. Now you can just see that by adding first, second, third and fourth, we get x plus y plus z plus u is equal to, you have to just add it, and then you can get you have to add first, right, and you have to add 180 180 180 and 180, that is equal to 720, and you take the minus as common and sum of these four angles. And you can you also know that these four angles are of a quadrilateral, and by the angle sum property of a quadrilateral, you know that sum of these angles is equal to 360 degree, and this is why 720 minus 360 is equal to 360 degree. Hope you have to enjoy this session, and in next video I will discuss some more problems. Keep watching. Thank you very much.